Hi guys, this is Carrie, and you're watching A Crone's Life. This is going to be my very first unboxing video. I'm going to open this one first because I know what it is. I have no idea what's in these other two, but this one, I know what it is. So, are you excited? I love unboxing things. This is why I've never done an unboxing before. It's because I get too excited and I have to open it right away. So I don't wait for all my stuff to be set up. Yeah, I just get right into it. No camera. I was patient this time. Okay. Let's see. See if I can do this without scaring myself and the audience as well. I like the way they do these boxes though, because it overlaps the cardboard and you're not really able, or you shouldn't be able, to touch it with the scissors. Seeing as how I'm really excited, that would be something you'd have to worry about, me touching it with scissors. Oh no! Okay, cool! Oh my gosh! There's even artwork on the inside of the box. Ugh, you're missing it. Okay, hold on. Oh my gosh. Thank you for buying our absurdities. I don't think they're absurd, but I won't argue because maybe I'm a little bit absurd myself. Ah, there's a little thing. I almost threw it on the ground. There's a little thing. Okay, I'm sliding off the cardboard here. And there's another, crash! Ah! Yeah, there's another thing right there. And I don't see any more artwork. I really hope that wasn't too loud and chaotic for you. But if it is loud and chaotic, I will cut it out and try to save your ears all the noise. What should I open first? I'm going to open the little one first. Okay. There's a big hint as to what it is. That little symbol right there. Look! It's the Terra Volatile expansion. I am so excited. I'm so excited. Okay, I have to stop making funny noises with my mouth. I will try to speak clearly and seriously. I am not at all like a child on Christmas Day. Look, I just bent that. Ugh, horrible. It's okay, it's mine. I have marked it as my territory. Okay. This is chaos. That's the backs. The Alchemist. Intuition. Authority. Dogma. The Crossroads. Determination. The Truth. Soul Searching. Time. Chronos. Fortuna. Misery Collector. Get that one under the light just a little bit more because it's kind of a dark card. Oh, that's a very nice angle. Sorry, I'm adjusting myself. I have aches and pains like an old lady. Okay. That is art. I look just like that when I'm making art. Torment. Actually, that's what I look like when I'm making art. That was a joke. I'm just kidding. Gosh. Dream. The Descent. Let's see if it's focusing correctly. I don't see very well. Also because I'm an old lady. Poetry. I don't know why. I saw this card and I thought of the book Song of Achilles. Is that right? Oh, it's such a good book. I'll see if I can put it up on the screen, like right below here. I cried. Of course I did. It's a great book. Last Judgment. Apotheosis. Apotheosis. I'll have to look that word up. I don't know what it means. I seem to recall, I've heard it before, but apotheosis. I'll have to look it up. Three of Cups. Six of Cups. Nine of Cups. Princess of Cups. Knight of Cups. Five of Pentacles. Six of Pentacles. Ten of Pentacles. Princess of Coins. Knight of Coins. The card that I pulled for today was the Son of Coins in the Margaret Peterson deck. This is the Four of Swords. Five of Swords. I love that. This is the Seven of Swords. Princess of Swords. So is that Salome and John the Baptist's head? I'll have to check into it. Knight of Swords. Two of Wands. Four of Wands. Seven of Wands. Nine of Wands. Page of Wands. Princess of Wands. Knight of Wands. Oh, it's Collie. She doesn't have enough arms. But it is supposed to be Collie because she has the skulls and she has the blue skin. Sorry. And that is the 5 of... I don't know. 5... There are 5 vessels, so is it... It's not cups. Because we had cups back here. We'll say it's the 5 of vessels. And the 9 of vessels. That's very interesting. Princess of vessels. Oh, I was right, it is the vessels. See, I don't know these things. I have to make things up, and then I was right. That's cool. Princess of vessels. This is a yes card. And this is a no card. And then you are asking the wrong questions. Wrong questions. That is the expansion pack. So, because I got the expansion pack, you may or may not know, I did not have the deck yet, so I went ahead and bought the whole thing. Got the expansion set, I got the deck. You knew it had to be the deck, didn't you? I mean, come on. It had to be the deck. Shape of it, the size of it, you knew. I'm sure you knew. Okay. This unique set has a few alternative cards, so it allows you to build your own personal deck. A new suit is included, the vessels. I had no idea. The transfiguration of the classical element ether, also called quintessence. You can find the symbology, meanings, and interpretations at terravolatile.com. Just to let you know, I'm very careful about how I use the word symbology, because if you know what the word means, it's the study of symbols. It's not just symbolism, another word for it. Honestly, it's not. But you do you, boo. I don't mind. I'm not peeved. Okay. Oh. Darn it. I don't speak Latin. Omnia, mutantur, nose, mutamur, in illis. I don't know what I'm saying. I could be casting a spell on you. Ha 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 ha. Just kidding. Okay. This is not a full walkthrough. This is just an unboxing, so I do not plan on spending tons of time on these cards, but I will go through them sorta kinda quickly. I have 2 Fools cards. Oh, if I could see, I would tell you if you could see. I'm sure that's okay. It's the High Priestess, the Empress, focus. Fertility is number 3. The Emperor, the Pope, the Lovers, the Chariot, Justice, Hermit. What a good looking hermit. He gives me the feels. Wheel of Fortune with a blue-faced baby. Got my attention, guys. Fortitude. Strength. The Hanged Man. Prudence. Death. You know, my husband would be really happy that they use the word prudence instead of temperance, because he has always had a problem with the vocabulary. Temperance doesn't mean what you think it means. Unfortunately, it means whatever we want it to mean, but according to the dictionary, it doesn't mean what we think it means. Oh, there's temperance. Gosh darn it. Oh well. So death, rebirth, temperance, the devil. I wonder what prudence was then. I'm not very good at this, am I? It's okay. It's okay. It's my video. I'm gonna try. Fool, magician, high priestess, empress, fertility. So, the empress and fertility are the same thing. The emperor. Pope is the Hierophant. The lovers, the chariot. Usually this is strength for me, but justice is 11. So, if I've got strength is 11. Hermit, 8, 9, no. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, of course 10. 11. After the Wheel of Fortune, is it the devil? No, there's the devil. Is it the Wheel of Fortune? Is it justice? No, because justice is where strength is, right? That's so weird. Wheel of Fortune. I may have to cut all that out because I don't know anything. Oh, duh. It's 11. It's strength. Fortitude is strength. But what is... Okay. The Hanged Man is 12. Prudence is 12. Okay, now we're getting it. I'm a little slow. I just caught up, guys. I just caught up. I know exactly what I'm talking about, but not really. I'm just caught up. There's death. There's rebirth, which is also death. See, it says 13. I want to get a tattoo with 13 on it. Okay, temperance. The devil. Temptation is also the devil. The Tower. And also the Tower is the hubris. Hope, the star. The moon. Yeah, I feel like you guys are in the shadow, so sorry. The labyrinth. So that is the moon. The labyrinth. It's very dark. I'm sorry if you can't see it very well. Not that I'm doing a walkthrough, I'm just doing an unboxing. The sun, and she got a big old booty. That's so cute. Me too, girlfriend. Judgment. It looks like Jesus Christ is a lamb with wings. It seems appropriate. The world. Anima Spiritus Corvus. The universe. Ace, 2, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Page, knight, queen, and king. ace, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7. Wow, that's grim. 8, 9, 10. Page, knight. Oh, he's wearing a mask. Look at that. He's got a gold mask on. Whoa. Knight, queen, and there's her bunny rabbit, of course. King, love it. Ace, 2, Dumbersto. 3, gruesome, 3, shipwreck. Oh, very cool imagery. 3, we feel that feeling sometimes, right? 4, 5, 6, trying to make out the people in the ship. 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh good, they covered up the body with a blanket. That's nice. Page. David and Goliath, I'm sure. Knight. Queen. She's pretty. King. King one eye. Wow. I don't need 2 eyes. One's enough for me. Ace. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, isn't... No, that's 5. Okay, good. I was going to say, that's not 6. This is 6. Very good. 7, 8, 8. Which one do you like better? I don't know. I'm gonna have such a hard time choosing these. 9, 10, page, knight. Wow. Queen, king. He has glowing eyes. Vessels. Here we go. Ace. 2, 3, 4, 5. Ew, 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 ew. 6, 7, 8, 9. Chimera. Cool. 10. Page, knight. What are babies? Interesting. Queen, king. Yay, we have seen them all. Wonder if I can get that little band around it again. Watch me struggle. I can't juggle. Ooh, don't do that. Ooh, don't do that. Nice to my cards. Okay, here we go. There. Very pretty. Now. The last one. The last one. What do you suppose that is? Huh? I bet you know. If it were me, I would know. more cards. I love cards. That's so neat. So this is Death in color. The other one didn't have this much color. And this is the Mirror. 29? No, 19. That's 19. 19 would be Judgment. Don't know. They are tempting me with t-shirts. How dare you? Okay, I just really do not want to unwrap it, but oh my gosh, I have to unwrap it. Oh, the book. I have to tuck this away real quick because my cat will eat it. He eats tissue. I do not understand him. I'll put it in this box. Perfect. So, signed. Okay. This is as good as we're going to be able to do. OMG. Oh yeah. Oh, that. Oh. I will do my best to go over this again sometime. And let you know how helpful the book is. I'll tell you one thing right away. It is wonderful. It's a lovely addition to any collection. If you do have the Terra Volatile, this book is just fabulous to have on the shelf next to it. I cannot imagine not getting it, but I do understand if you don't need it, then don't get it. I mean, you don't have to have it. I'm just, you know, I like all the things. I want as many of the things as I can get. I like to have lots of insight, you know, and see things from other people's point of view and then adapt it to myself. That works really well for me. Of course, we all read differently. Oh, wow. Here's Collie. And spreads in the back. And this is the back. I am in love already. So, that extensive collection of stuff was my first box. So, I'll try to put that out of the way. We'll see if that works. I may have to move everything. Yeah, let's move a few more things because I would like to have some room. But it is. I got the Cosmic Tarot. You know what? I've been wanting this for years. I can't for the life of me remember the first place I saw it. But I know one of the places I saw it was on Maureen's channel, Waves of Your Soul, and she called it Bonkers. And I thought, man, that sounds like something I need. I literally need a Bonkers deck. Why do they do double plastic? For heaven's sake, you had it wrapped in plastic in the first place. Why double? Does not make sense to me. Of course, I bought it. My fault. Okay. These are the backs. Pretty kind of glossy. Not super glossy, but they're glossy. The Magician, the High Priestess, the Empress, the Emperor, the Hierophant, the Lovers, the Chariot, Justice, Hermit, Wheel of Fortune. And forgive me if I'm wrong about this being on Marine's channel. I really felt like this was where I saw it there, but anyway, I could be wrong. I'm looking at it now and I'm thinking maybe it wasn't on her channel. Look at the funky-headed kid. Cool, cool, cool. That is anxiety, is it not? Oh, wow. Truly. Isabella Rossellini. Robert Downey Jr. Just kidding. All right. Guarantee and information. Oh, keep these all together. That was super fun. I will put this with my other super fun deck. And I gotta look in the bag again because I'm not sure what that other thing was. We'll see. And I hope I wasn't too annoying for this unboxing. It was lots of fun. I'll have to break it up into pieces so that I can cut out all the annoying me stuff. Okay, so mentioned Marine at Waves of Your Soul. I will put her link down in the description. Who else? Oh, Carrie's Mystical Musings. I watched her today. She did her 54321 tarot hashtag, and I thoroughly enjoyed it. She has quite the collection as well. I enjoy listening to her. Her voice is so sweet, easy to listen to. Her and Robin's Reflections, I could just listen to their voice and I wouldn't necessarily know what the heck they're saying if I zone out, but man, it's just calming. So, cool, huh? That was it. That's all. So I'm gonna wave and say bye-bye. Have a great week, guys. I'll see you later.